If you want to install magnets in your project, try this. We're going to do like a 3x15, but add 0.2 to your diameter both ways. So we'll do 15.2. Finish our sketch. Then we will extrude that 3.2. Oops. Boy, I messed up. Minus. Okay, so there's your cut body for your magnet. Now, let's say you want to put a layer on top to cover your magnet. The fastest way I've found is going to create a sketch right on top of it. I'm going to grab this rectangle tool all the way across. Finish. We're going to extrude that and that by 1 millimeter. There. Now, let's take this to the slicer. Now, we just click slice, pull this down. Oh, I'd say right about here. We'll just add a pause. So now, when this thing prints, it's going to pause. You're going to put your magnet in there, click resume, and you're done. Hope this was helpful. Please like the video, and I really hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks.